I got a problem with my iPod. I can't get it to turn on. I can't get it to do anything. No matter what I do, I can try putting in recovery mode. I can try turning it on. I know it's charged, and I know it's doing something, but it will not connect to my computer. Gives me this stupid little message right here, saying that it's malfunctioned, and it cannot connect because it cannot recognize it. No matter what I do, I get the same stupid black screen. And I can't take it back to Apple because it's a 2G, 2.21, jailbroken. And once you jailbreak it, you void the thing. So I can't take it to them because they're just going to tell me that they can't do nothing about it because I voided the thing. And look, I'll show you. It will not do anything. I'm hitting the power button now. Nothing. Then I try to put it in recovery mode. Nothing. It's like completely dead. I don't know. And then I can unplug the USB, plug it back in. Nothing. So, you can help me out. I'd like that a lot.